Hi, so in this video we're going to look at modulo. Okay, so I've got this really dumb page which is going to echo out 5. So there you go, there's a 5. And I'm going to use the modulo here to demonstrate it. So if I divide 5 by 2, what's the remainder? How many 2's go into 5? 2, and the remainder is going to be 1. So the remainder is 1. If I try 3, how many 3's go in? Well, if I divide 5 by 3, the remainder is 2. So I've got 2 there. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of useful. Maybe you're not sure maybe why that's useful. Well, let's have a look at some examples of why that's useful. I'll try and make a loop now if I can remember how to do that. Oops. So for x equals 0, so start the counter. X is less than 10. Iterate each time you see x. If echo x. So I've got a for loop, and when I run the for loop, I break it. When I run the for loop, oops, language. So I've got my bunch of numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's put a line break in. Oops. I've got my numbers. Now, if I wanted to, I'm going to put a condition in there. If x modulo 2 is equal to 0, then do stuff. So if when you divide the number by 2, there's no remainder, then print it out. Got to put the condition in brackets. So you can see how this is a healthy way, a handy way of finding a times table, or finding out if a number is even. So how else can this be helpful? So modulos help me find the remainder of a number, or if I use it to find out if the remainder is 0, do something. Let's say I have a clock. I've got a 12-hour clock. I've got a 24-hour clock. I'll make you do the 12-hour clock. I have a 24-hour clock. So let's say it is it's 8 o'clock, and I'm going to sleep for. Hold on, it's 10 o'clock. Hey, I'm cool. I'm not going to bed at 8. It's 10 o'clock, and I'm going to have 8 hours sleep. So what time do I wake up? 30 o'clock. There isn't a 30 o'clock. I'm going to use the modulo of 24. So 10 o'clock, 8 hours sleep. I'm going to wake up at 6 o'clock. So 22 plus 8 modulo. Oh, hold on. Bid mess. The modulo will happen before. Well, actually, it's not in the bid mess, is it? I've got to do the addition in brackets. Let that happen first. Otherwise, it'll give me the modulo of 8. 22 plus 8 modulo 24. And there we go, 6 o'clock. Yes! There we go. The modulo is helping me kind of loop around. So 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 divided by 24 is 1. The remainder of 30 divided by 24 is 6. 6 is the modulo. I got my modulo. Okay, I hope that is helpful. We use modulo in our cipher to here to loop round on the alphabet. So we've calculated the length of the alphabet, and when we apply a shift, if we start to fall off the string, it will go round to the beginning again using the same modulo technique.